So I want to talk to you about a really amazing innovation that we've had in rotator cuff surgery, and it really has just come recently within the last year. And it is from a company called ZuriMed, and the product is called the Speed Patch, and the device that sets it is called the Fiber Locker. And this is pretty amazing technology, and it's FDA approved for rotator cuff repairs. And what it is it's a polyethylene patch that you can see here, and this is incredibly strong. And polyethylene is actually the same exact material that we use in the sutures that we use to fix rotator cuffs. And we've been using it for 30, 40 years in orthopedics. Very, very safe material. So it's no different than material, but what it is, it's a felt. And this felt is incredibly strong. And the technology is that you do your standard rotator cuff repair, but then you have this felt and this device that sews the felt into the rotator cuff. And so I'm going to show you in this video how it works. And so this is a little sewing machine. And what this does is you run this across the felt, and then what it does is it sews it into the tendon. So this is a little gel foam that we have right here. And so this is sewing it. Now it's going at 40 hertz. So when you measure this, and we do it for about 90 seconds, we won't do the whole thing, but when you do this in surgery, you do it for about 90 seconds. And what this does is it drives the fibers into the tendon. Okay, and if you look at this from the side, you can see all those little fibers going into the tendon. This foam is, this gel is representing your tendon, and this is incredibly strong. And so, when we're doing surgery on a rotator cuff, like a medium to large tear, we'll put like 6 sutures through the tendon and anchor that down. This just put 10,000 microscopic sutures into this piece of gel, just like it would your tendon. And what that does is it creates incredible strength on top of what you already did, to where the repairs that we're doing are upwards of 3 times stronger than the standard repair. And the advantage of that, or the stronger the repair, the better healing rates we have, because that's the biggest thing we fight with rotator cuff surgery is the healing rates. The second advantage, and this is something that I've started doing with it, is now not forcing patients to wear slings after surgery. So allowing you to immediately move your arm right after the procedure, because the repair strength is so high that it can handle that motion, right? So no need to wear a sling, actively move your arm right away, which is an incredible advancement in rotator cuff surgery, because the vast majority of surgeons and the vast majority of protocols do require a sling. So I'm super excited about this. I think this is one of the most incredible technologies that I've seen in my career, and I think we're just getting started with the potential for it. But yeah, it's called the Speed Patch from ZuriMed. In my practice, we were one of the first surgeons in the world to actually start using this, and I think in the next 5 to 10 years you're going to see this become the standard, and also you're going to see fewer and fewer slings, hopefully. So we're really excited with it, and I'm using it on every single repair that I do now, every repair that I do, and it's something that we offer that's very unique, and it benefits our patients massively, because again, not having to wear a sling for a patient is a huge deal. You can immediately use your arm after surgery, you can get back to work, you can get back to life. And I think that's probably the number one thing that patients fear with rotator cuff surgery, or that they're concerned about, is the recovery and really having to wear that sling. So we don't do that anymore, and a huge part of it is because of this new technology. So super excited, and if you have a rotator cuff tear or shoulder pain, we're happy to see you for it.